Get that bag. One thing you should know, I ain't going outside. If we fall off, we re-up, get a bag. One thing you should know.
And son, you haven't been with me all my life. You're only 18 days this month. And, you've only been, you've only been with me for a certain amount of time. And so you see where I am, but you don't quite know how I got there. And it's really chilling out, not really. So, good morning, you guys. I just finished my workout. Today is Tuesday. Right now I am oh shit. I had to turn on the TV a little bit. I'm watching an old Ashley Brown's podcast when she interviewed Kim Kardashian, and I'm about to do a little bit of journaling. What you saw in the first clip was just what I do in the morning times when I get up. I try to be very intentional with my day and to start my day with God in some form. Give him some, give him my time. All he wants is just a little bit of time, just, time. So I did that. I got my fuel, I got my food, from that this morning, and it helped me through my workout. And I pushed all the way through. Yesterday's workout I didn't complete fully, but today's workout I did complete fully. Yesterday also too, I didn't start my day with God. I got up, started doing laundry, running around, checking stuff off my list, and then I kind of took the middle of my day, like the afternoon. So this morning, got up and did that. And yeah, there is a new video up on my channel that went up on Monday. It is a day in the life vlog. Make sure you guys go check it out. After you watch this video, go over there and give that video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up too, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So I'm gonna continue to be intentional with my morning, since it's only, what time is it? It's only 10:29, so it's 10:30 right now, and we've already checked 2 things off our list already out of the 5 things on my list today on my to-do list. And so it's going to be a great Tuesday. We're going to get shit done. So make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram stories. I'll have everything linked in the description box below, but I usually always say this on my Instagram. So happy Tuesday, everybody. Get the molasses out your ass and the crackers out your eyes. If you haven't already, get up and make shit happen. Good morning. So I'm cooking up some bacon that I cut up, and I'm going to make a omelet with, I got 2 whole eggs, 2 egg whites, and some spinach, and then we're also going to have a smoothie. So that's what's going on right now.
Guaranteed. But I can't see how an outside court can ignore the evidence that we have. And then what? Even if he do meet out everybody but us still gonna think he guilty. If they can't kill him in that, they can still do it out here. We've been worried about that too. And we're working on something to help get the truth out.
Okay, hey guys, it is Wednesday, so happy Wednesday. I have not really been vlogging. I have a couple of vlog footage, but I was like, it's not enough. I don't want to put up a short vlog, so this vlog is going to consist of meshing days together. So today's Wednesday. We just got back from the grocery store. I'm going to show you guys a little quick grocery haul. Mainly got like little snacks, like not necessarily for me, but I do snack. I don't deprive myself. I just portion control to make sure it fits into my calories when I count them. And because we already, like, our freezer is full, we have no room in the freezer, not nan space of freezer, so everything is going either in the cabinets or the refrigerator. So let's go ahead and get right into the grocery haul. Okay, so we got some eggs, we got some bananas that I let sit and get a little bit of ripe, and then I freeze them. I do not like biting into bananas. I don't really like bananas like that. Like, I want the texture, so I like them frozen because it does make my smoothies a little creamier. We got pizzas for like pizza night. We got some little snacks. You're gonna hear me say a lot of stuff was on sale because I like to shop when things are on sale. So these were on sale, and then I end up getting some macaroni shells for a dish that I like to make. Some granola. I had a coupon for these for $1 off, and these were buy one get one. So I got the oats and dark chocolate, and I got the oats and honey chips. Now this is not just groceries for like, this is, if you see healthy stuff, me. Most of these snacks, my boyfriend. So we got these. Those are buy one get one. Some Starburst candy, buy one get one. Of course, a good old Top Ramen. Every now and then I do crave Top Ramen, some ramen noodles, so keep that on deck. Mini made juice. We got some tomato paste that goes with that pasta dish I was telling you guys about. Velveeta cheese in case we want to make some type of dip or tail dip. Yoo-hoo, boyfriends. Then we end up getting water. We got 3 cases of water. It was buy 2 get 1 free, so water on deck. We're good on water. Coffee. So remember I was telling you guys I need to quit drinking coffee. Well, I probably do need to quit drinking coffee, but I just really like coffee, and so I just decided I'm going to drink it, but limit the amount and drink tea in between time. So this is really good. I don't know if you guys watch Nicole Guerrero, but I've been watching her for years, and about like 2-3 years ago she put me on to this, so I've been hooked ever since. They were buy one get one, the vanilla flavor. Then I got some silk almond creamer. I like a little bit of creamer, and it is dairy free. More juice. I got some apple juice. I want to kind of start adding a little bit of apple juice in my smoothies, just a little bit. Bacon. Okay, we got some salmon, fresh salmon. We got some Argentinian redfish, and then we got some white peeled and veined, and we got some Chobani yogurt, which I'm gonna put a little bit of granola on top of this for a quick little, snack or whatever. I have to be careful because the sugar content with this and the granola is pretty high, so portion control. Strawberry and peach. I also do like dairy-free yogurts as well. Got some baby kale mix. These were buy 3 for 10, so I got the baby kale mix, and then the rest is spinach. And lastly, some shredded cheese. We got the 4 cheese Mexican and mozzarella, and they were on sale, and that's pretty much it.
Let's go, Lord. Push him back.
Come on, y'all do something. I turned my camera on. Go. Look, I'm a bad person. I'm about to go. The camera pulling away. Ain't no good camera person. My hand ain't steady. Oh, baby, nails, long curves, whip your ass and won't break one. Like, for real. Like, and, oh, she a scammer and a schemer. Like, yeah.
Oh, there we go. Offside. First down, Black Bears.
Like for real. She cool people, though, but, you know. She got a couple mug shots. Come on, y'all give me something good. Alright, number 3 done got in here. That motherfucker zoom in nice. Come on, what you waiting on, coach? Let him like
it. Good hard 5-yard pickup by Fuquay.
Good morning, you guys. Happy Friday. So I just finished my workout and now I'm about to go cooking me some breakfast. I am doing all egg whites today. I usually do mixed egg whites, mixed whole eggs, all egg whites today because I am doing some yogurt and granola, so I want to get my fat in somewhere else. Plus I'm doing a little bit of mozzarella cheese. So let me go ahead and show you my omelet. I just added some shrimp I cooked last night. It's prepped. Sprinkle a little mozzarella cheese, and it's time to flip it. How good does that look? Get creative and make it healthy. Here is the finished product. It's just 3 egg whites, handful of baby spinach, and a few shrimp. Then I have a peach Chobani yogurt with a sprinkle of this nature's valley granola protein, oat and dark chocolate. Just a sprinkle because it does have sugar and we don't want too much sugar. So I'm about to just enjoy my breakfast because I'm really hungry, and I really went in the living room and did a great at-home workout. I pushed myself. I'm proud of myself. Now I'm about to eat. Okay. Stop. No, I said stop anyway.
I'ma do this for the struggle. All the niggas try.
Hey, stop playing. You know I'm loving you.
Yes, we called and placed an order.
1 second.
Okay.
She mad every time. She tired of this shit.
Is it ticket number 174?
You didn't tell me a ticket number.
What you get?
I got the sweet and sour chicken.
Yes.
That's it?
32.54. Yes.
Okay. How much?
32.54.
Can you give me extra yum yum sauce?
2 for $1. You okay?
Mhm.
So be 33.54. We have balloon with the cigar in the dollar.
And some duck sauce.
1 second.
Thank you.
Thank you. Man, shit. She's strong as shit.
She lean hell. Let me not